So you've got your retriever and now you're wondering, can my family also work with a dog, or can this dog be trained by more than one person? Welcome to Cornerstone Gundog Academy, where you can learn to train your retriever with our online videos. So this is a great question that a lot of people ask. Most of the time when you get a retriever, it's gonna be a family companion. And that means there's gonna be more than one family member involved. And so we get the question a lot. So how do I incorporate this retriever into the family? And can my spouse work with the dog? Can they train the dog? Can my kids train the dog? And the answer is absolutely yes. You should be having everyone in your family that's in the immediate family working with a dog, so that the dog will listen to everyone in the immediate family. So how do you do that? How do you get your dog to listen? The big key is for everyone to work on the same thing the same way. For example, if you're working on teaching your dog to sit, everyone that's going to be teaching that dog, everyone that's going to work that dog needs to say sit the same way, because if you say sit like this, sit, and then your other family member says sit, that's totally different. To you, it's the same thing, but dogs are very distinct in the way they learn. They can pick up on small details. So it's important that everyone does the same thing, even to the point to where if you hold out your hand and you say sit, but then your other family member doesn't, the dog may not sit because it's different. So make sure that when you are working with your dog and you and your family are working with a dog, make sure that everyone does it the exact same way. One other tip is, keep in mind, again, this dog's going to be a family companion most of the year, even though they're going to be a great hunting dog. And it's important to bring and incorporate that dog into your everyday family life. So if you and your family are hanging out in the backyard, let the dog be out there, and then recall it back and forth between you and let it become a part of the family and incorporate it in. And then just make sure that when you do that, that everyone is on the same page in everything that they do. If you do that, that's going to help everyone in the family have full control over the dog, and it's going to help you have a better hunting retriever.